So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And if you know, MiniMax has open source MiniMax M2.7. It's one of the best open source model for coding and for agentic AI. And now the model is open sourced also, just a few days back and available on Hugging Face too. As you can see, it's the first model deeply participating in its own evolution. And if you look at the benchmarks, I think they are crazily good. SW Bench Pro, Multi SWE Bench, Y Pro, everywhere it's just leading everything. But this video is not talking about the best things about M2.7, but how to use the model for free. Because you might be saying that no, we can run it in your local system, but my friends, just look at the parameters. 229 billion parameters running such a huge model in your local system is not possible. So what are the alternates to do? So we can have a free API key. How to get it? In the short video, I would be explaining you that. So first of all, let's turn on to our NVIDIA NIMS page. The link is in the comment section below. Here at the top left, just look at this and click on MiniMax M2.7. Now the model is available for free to you. Just try it out. How many hours are in Strawberry? So you can talk to the model also and use a free API key. Just click here. Let's first of all try to use the model on the chat. By the time it generates an output, click on view code. Here you can see that there is the Python code it is providing and you can generate a free API key too. You need to first of all sign in. This will direct me to some page. As you can see here, I've already logged in with my account and the API key is also generated. Don't try to copy my API key. I will be deleting this, so don't worry about it. I've already copied the code and if you click on top right on the logo, you can see that your API rate limit is also there up to 40 RPM. Do remember this. So you can't hit more than this. Let me switch to Google Colab and copy paste the code. And let's try to run this one now. Hello. This will take a while. As you can see, the model is huge. It will take a while. We need to wait for a while now. This is the model. Here you can see that MiniMax AI, MiniMax M2.7. And the content I'm passing is just hello. Let's see how much time it takes to revert back to us. So I think if you don't know, I think MiniMax was released a few days back and the team promised, I think a month ago, that they would be open sourcing the model 2 quite soon. And I think they have kept their promise. A little late though, but I think still better late than sorry. So that here you can see that the output has started coming. The user said hello. According to this, we have a developer message empty. The system message tells us to be helpful. It is giving certain answers. The output is hello. How can I help you? It is also outputting the think tags. That's the most important part. Let me try out something else. What is 2 minus 7 plus 0 plus 3 minus 5? Let's try this one before we wrap this up. So you can now use MiniMax M2.7 for free using the free API key from NVIDIA without single penny. It's one of the best models for agentic AI, and I think it's the best time to be alive. You can use the best of the models, best of the AI at your local system without paying a penny, without having GPUs also. So if you are also looking for the same thing, do try out NVIDIA NIMS platform. Most of the major models that are open source are available for free there. So start building. Before we wrap this up, let's see the final output and then we'll wrap this up video. We'll be covering up with more videos and more important information for you all. So stay tuned here as well. As you can see that here we have made streaming equals to true. So the thinking tags are also coming. It is doing the arithmetic and giving us a final answer that is -7. Whatever is the answer, this is how the output shall work. And do try it out. It looks to be a great model. See you soon. Thank you so much.